Revit 2022 is a little thin when it comes to improvements for electrical engineers. In this video, we'll briefly go over the new offerings, as well as a few more general changes that could still prove useful for your electrical design. For devices like receptacles, the Maintain Annotation Orientation property ensures the annotation symbol defined in the family is always visible on floor plans, whether the instance is mounted to the floor or the wall. This property has been added to lighting fixtures, electrical equipment, and other categories. Now you can easily define annotation symbols for the wall-mounted light fixtures in your project, and use the same family for multiple orientations. More options have been added to the filter tool for schedules. You can now filter by the fields for family, type, and family and type. This update is a general quality of life improvement that further rounds out Revit's schedule filtering capabilities. The new Split and Place command makes it easy to separate your schedules across 2 or more sheets in the project. This was previously possible using unwieldy workarounds, but the Split and Place command makes it a snap. Exporting to PDF now has its own command with expanded functionality. You can now save your export preferences, create file naming schemes based upon project parameters, and much more. You can now assign tags to multiple elements using the new Add Remove Host command. Simply tag an element, then use the command to draw additional leaders. This translates to potentially fewer tags and less clutter on your drawings. Panel schedules can now be set to automatically shade unusable cells in phase columns. This applies to phase rotation, as well as rows and columns not applicable to certain panels, adding flexibility to your panel schedule templates. That's it for the Revit 2022 changes most likely to affect electrical engineers. Leave a comment to tell us which features you look forward to trying out. And if you're new to Design Master, use the link in the description below to learn more about our Electrical for Revit software.